Hi, I'm Hylas with Residential Design Solutions. I'd like to welcome you back to another episode of Front Porch Friday. We're on site today at a client's home who have started remodeling their kitchen. We'd like to show you how things start and what to expect. So let's go inside and take a look. You can see in these before photos that the original kitchen had an illuminated ceiling and soffits over the cabinets, which created a 7-foot ceiling height, something that is being eliminated in this process. And when you take down existing soffits, you will find all sorts of interesting things. There will most likely be plumbing lines and HVAC ducts that need to be relocated. You can also see the piles of debris that have been removed. It can be a messy project when you demo a room down to its bare bones. And when everything is stripped out, it can be a little shocking. We want to help you understand what to expect. There are various levels to remodeling a kitchen, anywhere from painting the cabinets, to refacing them, or changing out the cabinet doors and cabinet hardware. Or as you'll see here, taking out all the flooring and cabinets and starting over. Unfortunately, when there are soffits in a room, HVAC and plumbing contractors use those spaces to run their plumbing lines and ductwork. You can see what was discovered in these soffits, and as we see them now, the mechanicals have been rerouted where possible or snugged up to the ceiling to be hidden when cabinets are installed. The electrical wires and copper water lines are not a concern because they can be drilled through the joists without creating structural problems. Rerouting them is a simple process. The remodeler for this project is Dave Osmond Builders, and he had the foresight and experience to plan on leaving about 6 inches of space above the wall cabinets that will eventually be covered by crown molding. This allows those drain pipes and ducts to be hidden in the finished kitchen. We'll be back later to show you how things are progressing. We want you to see how a project evolves from start to finish. Thanks again for joining us, and remember, we're creating these videos for you, so if there's anything you'd like to know about, please leave it in the comments below. Please give us a like and a follow, and see our blog, and we'll see you next time on the Front Porch.